Hello everyone. So today I'm going to give a small demo on Power BI. Okay. So today our agenda is what is Power BI, what are the competitors of Power BI, and how it works, and how it is easy to learn, and we will focus on other areas. Okay. So let's start. So before getting into the actual Power BI concepts, so we need to understand what is business intelligence. Okay. What is a business intelligence? So business intelligence is a concept like, for example, if we are running a business. Okay. For example, if we are running a business like, take any retail stores, any other business. Okay. You want to know whether you are into a profit kind of, or you are into loss. Okay. So here, how business intelligence helps to businesses, so it will provide a solutions regarding our business. Okay. Here the solutions means either we are creating some kind of reports, dashboards to understand how my business is going on. Okay. So simple, we can say business intelligence is nothing but provide a solutions to a business. Okay, with kind of some intelligence tools. Okay. For example, I have a lots of data, large data set. Okay. So by looking at the data, I may not understand what it is. So what I'm trying to say is, for example, let me open any sales data. Okay. I'm just opening the sales data on orders data. Okay. So when the data in the form of tables, okay, we may not understand what it is, right? For example, if you are creating any dashboard or reports by using the data, that means when I say reports or dashboard, you are going to represent your data in the form of graphs, tables like this. So I can showcase one dashboard for you. So this is a small dashboard, okay, which tells us something to the business owners or business management team. Okay. For example, this is like a target of 8 hours login hours, but average login hours is 7.88. Okay. Okay. Excel file open. So actually this is some kind of about sales. Okay. Some it has some information, customer name, ship mode, customer target, something, right? We have lot of information here, and also we have some sales information. By looking at this data, you may not get some insights from using this table architecture data, right? Instead of looking at this data, I want to create a report or a dashboard like this. So our business management team can easily understand how my business is going on. For example, look at this chart. So the highest thing is, highest business has happened in March and August, September, like the lowest thing is on October. So, and they will focus why my business is going down. Okay. So they can take some kind of managerial decisions, okay, to improve their business functions. Okay. So business intelligence means it provides a kind of solutions to your business to make some managerial decisions. I mean, it helps to make some decisions by using some historical data. Okay. It's a concept. Business intelligence is a concept. Okay. So it's a kind of definition. So we are getting some right information from the right people at the right time in the right format. When I say right format, for example, if you have a data in Excel and you have not any column headers or any formatting styles or nothing, how do you define what this column stands for, right? So right format in the sense the properly structured data. Okay, that is a meaning of right format. And we need to create some visual interesting dashboards. Okay. And by looking at those data, the business makes some decisions by using historical data. Okay. How my business, see, when I say historical data, so this is Jan, Feb, March, something, right? I'm having more than 1 year of data. That means that is historical data. Okay, right. So that is what business intelligence. Okay, so to create these kind of solutions, we have couple of tools in the market. Okay, let me open next slide. So it's a architecture of how business intelligence works. So this is the data area where our data sits, and we will create some kind of structured data. That means we do some kind of data transformations. If any chunk data is available here, we will cleaning the data here, this part, and we segregate the data as per my requirement. Then we will create some dashboards and reports. To do this, okay, to do this, we have a lot of tools in our market to create these kind of business solutions. Okay, like Power BI, Tableau, Cognos, Excel. These are all the different types of business intelligence tools that helps to business to create a solutions in the nothing but reports and dashboards. Okay, okay, so now we are going to discuss about Power BI. What are the advantages and when it compares to other tools? Okay, first of all, Power BI is designed by, developed by Microsoft. Okay, right, Microsoft, how it provides the products in the cheaper way, right? If you take MS Office is a bunch of applications like Excel, Power Outlook, Access Database, Word document, right, like that. And it is cost wise is also cheaper. And yeah, obviously Tableau has more powerful way representing the data. But not only, but companies, they are not only thinking about the effective representation, but also it includes many factors like cost and other areas, right? So in the power coming to this Power BI, it is having more market. Okay, it occupies more market in the IT industry. Okay, and it is very easy to learn, and it is very easy user friendly. Okay, that means it's a kind of self explanatory concepts here. That means when I say self explanatory, when you look at some concept, by definition of the concept, you can easily understand what it is. Okay, so we are going to discuss about Power BI now. So what is Power BI? Simple. Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool where it converts your data getting from different sources to create interactive dashboards. Simple. This definition is very simple. What it does mean? So simple. Power BI is creating a solutions, right? And that means solutions means it creates some kind of visualizations. Okay, it creates a visualizations by using a data where my data sits in different data sources. When I say different data sources means my data available from Excel or databases like SQL Server, Oracle databases, or some cloud data sources like SharePoint, OneDrive, Salesforce. Okay, we have lots of different data sources that can Power BI can connect. Okay, so once you connect to your data source, then you can create some interactive dashboards. Okay, when I say interactive dashboard, when I say interactive dashboard, okay, that means when I click on any visual here, the other visuals also gets affected, right? The other visuals also gets affected. That is called interactive. Okay, for example, if I click here, the other visuals get affected, right? This is called interactive. Okay, interactive dashboards. So if you are if I'm telling something, I need to justify that statement, right? So Power BI is simple. It creates a data visualizations, I mean graphs, dashboards, reports. Okay, by using some data. That data may sits in the different data sources, and it will create some interactive dashboards and reports. Okay, that is called Power BI. A simple thing. Okay, so Power BI can be available in three different areas forms. One is Power BI desktop. Okay, simple. Power BI desktop is nothing but it is a desktop tool where you can create your reports and dashboards on your local machine. Okay, that means, so I will provide this link. Okay, so this is the area where you need to download your Power BI desktop for free of cost. Okay, for free of cost, no need to pay anything, free of cost. You just download and install. Okay, and install like as other softwares like VLC Media Player or MS Office. You just install, accept the terms and conditions, just click next. Okay, it's a simple, I mean, we can easily install this Power BI desktop tool on your local machine. Okay, this is in my local machine, this dashboard in my local machine. Okay, so Power BI desktop is, it is a desktop tool where we can reports and dashboards by using our data. Okay, then what is Power BI service? Once you created your dashboards and reports, okay, you need to share your report to your customer or colleagues or internal teams, right? If you create a dashboard or report and save it in your local machine, there is no point of creating, right? You have to share your dashboards with your customers or your colleagues or your teams, right? For that sake, you need to have this Power BI service account. Okay, you need to have this Power BI service account. Okay, so Power BI desktop is enough to create dashboards and reports, but to share these reports and dashboard with your customer, you must have Power BI service account. Okay, so Power BI service is a simple, it's a cloud service to publish your Power BI reports and dashboards. Okay, to publish your reports and dashboard. So you can see, right, publish here in the home tab. This is the publish option. Okay, because if you save your dashboard in your local machine, there is no point, right, to create these dashboards. You need to share this dashboard to your customer. So you need to publish this dashboard into a cloud, that is called Power BI service. Okay, so Power BI service, URL is app.powerbi.com. Okay, this is my powerbi.com. I have already some account. I am just logging into this thing. Okay, I'm logging into my Power BI service. Okay, skip for now. It is opening now. This is how my Power BI service. Okay, we will explain this later, in a deeper way. Okay, but as of now I want to showcase something. Once you create something, how to share your dashboard with your customer. Okay, for example, I want to create some folder here. Okay, my first dashboard. Okay, I'm just creating some folder here. There is nothing here, right? There is nothing here. Okay, so this is my dashboard I have already created. Or we'll do one thing, we'll create a new dashboard. Okay, I'm just opening new Power BI desktop template. Okay, now we will connect to our data source and we'll create one dashboard. Okay, so let me open this thing. Simple, I'm not explaining any rocket science or nothing or nuclear physics, nothing. Here I'm just explaining what is BI. BI is nothing but business intelligence tool where it provides solution to the business. To create the solutions, we have a couple of tools in our market like Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, SciSense, like other tools. Okay, now we are going to discuss Power BI. So what is Power BI? Power BI is a data visualization tool where we can create reports and dashboards. Okay, and in the Power BI tool, we have different types of data. Formats. One is Power BI desktop, another one is Power BI service. So once you install the Power BI desktop in your local, if you open Power BI desktop, okay, this is the UI you can see after opening Power BI desktop. Where is my data? You need to import the data, right? To create your dashboard, you need to have some data. So I'm going to get the data. So from the Power BI, for example, my data in Excel workbook, I'm just connecting to Excel. We'll see. Okay, this is my data. Open. Okay, so it imports the data, whatever the data available here, sheets, right? Something sheets I see here, right? All these sheets can be seen into this thing. Okay, right, you can see, right? What are the sheets are available in this workbook, sales and order? You can see all the sheets. I need only sales and order, that's enough. Okay, I'm just loading into my Power BI desktop file. Now you can see the data in the field section. Okay, now data is loading. The field section, you can see these two tables will be imported into my Power BI desktop file. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so yes, it is done. Okay, in a couple of seconds we can see that data. So yes, my data is ready. See what are the columns that are available? You can see it, right? Simple. These are the available visualization tools you have in the Power BI. Select any one. Okay, now you can drag and drop. In the city, I want to see the sales by city. Okay, in the value section I can drag it. Okay, now it will create a small visualization, sales by city. Simple, right? Sales by city. Sales by city. Okay, now I want to create one more dashboard, one more visualization. Just copy it, paste, and I look at like this. Okay, and I'll create one more in the form of some tree map. Okay, I'll create one more dashboard. We'll see in the form of this thing, or we'll do like this. Okay, so done. I am done with creating this dashboards. Okay, now I want to save this file. BI, some demo. This is my first project. Okay, now you are going to save your Power BI file in your desktop. This is done. Is this enough? No, right? You have to publish your report to the Power BI service. Okay, you successfully created your report, but you want to share this report to your customer. So just click this publish option. Now this is my folder I have created. Select. Now my first project is publishing to my first dashboard folder. Okay, you will get some kind of success message box. You successfully published. If you want to open, you can open. If you want to get some quick insights, you can get this, but now I don't want to do all these things. Go to first dashboard. See, you don't have to see anything here, right? In a couple of seconds it got updated. We'll refresh this. See, right? You can see, right, my first project. Okay, if you can click this, whatever the report you created in the Power BI desktop, you can see it in the web session, which is Power BI service, right? From here onwards, you can share your report with your customers. Okay, you can give access to your users. Okay, you can add users and give and allow them to access your dashboard. Okay, this is how a sample dashboard was created. Okay, I think everyone got understand, right? What is a Power BI desktop, what is Power BI service. Okay, simple. So we have seen what is Power BI desktop, we have seen Power BI service. Power BI mobile apps is nothing but to create your dashboard for the mobile view. Okay, for the mobile view. Okay, and now we discuss a small architecture of Power BI. So this is your data sets, either SQL Server or Excel or cloud. Then it connects to, you're connecting to Power BI desktop. Then you're published to your Power BI service. From there onwards, users can access either through laptop or tablet or mobile or anything, right? Now you can see one concept called Power BI data gateways, which is nothing but to provide a security for, data security kind of thing. It is, bridging a gap between, Power BI service and your report and data source. Okay, your report to your source, data source. Okay, and what is our next slide? Okay, so before getting into other topics, to share your report, you must have Power BI service account. Okay, currently I am using from free service, which is 60 days. I left with only 16 days, right? So there are different types of licensed are available in Power BI. One is free, which is 60 days. Another one is pro license. Another one is premium license. You must have pro license or premium license to share your report. Pro license is which is very low cost, which is $9 or $10 per month. But coming to premium, which is 4,000 or something, pro license is a kind of single user license, and these are the facilities that provides when you purchase this pro license. But coming to premium license, it's a kind of organizational account. You can have multiple users can have the multiple accounts, but it is single user account. Okay, and these are the facilities or features that can provide when you purchase pro license and premium license. We'll discuss more in detail. Okay. So let's get into another topics. So yeah, as we discussed earlier, this is architecture. This is our different types of cloud services. This is my Power BI desktop file. I pull the data from data sources, then I'll create some reports and dashboards. I publish to Power BI service. There you can either Windows laptops or iPads, iPhones, Android apps, everything. End users will access the reports and dashboards. Here, as Power BI data gateway, it's a bridge between your report and data source. And sample of Power BI dashboard. Okay, Power BI desktop, it's a free tool you can download from the web. Okay, and you can create your reports in your local machines. Okay, understanding of Power BI features. So you can press the get data, then you can select the data source. There are a lot of different data sources, right? You can see, right? SQL Server database, Oracle database, IBM, lot of data sources available. You can connect from Power BI, and you can import the data. Okay, once you import the data, now you can start to create your dashboards, creating visuals. Okay, once you created your visuals, you need to publish your report. Okay, keep your file in your desktop, there is no use, right? You need to publish. For that you must have Power BI service account, at least pro version or premium license. So you need to give your username, password, credentials, then it will showcase all the folders available. You can select your folder, then publish, then you can see it in your Power BI service. Okay, so this is all about what is a Power BI, how it is easy to learn. Okay, so what are the prerequisites to learn this Power BI? I think nothing is required to learn Power BI. Okay, we will train you like by use in Power BI desktop. Also, we'll give some 1 or 2 sessions SQL. So SQL is I cannot say mandatory, but you should have knowledge in SQL. Okay, writing queries. For that you can refer W3 schools. Anyways, we will take 1 or 2 sessions in SQL as well. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Like this is the Power BI desktop and how to share your report your customer, and these are all the basic understanding of Power BI. Okay, yeah, thank you.